Hi. You know how much will be the grocery shopping for today? How much you think it is?
It's 300 plus.
Oh my God, 300 plus. No. I think it's like 250, 230, 250 maybe.
Because I didn't, hindi ako nagtipid.
Look at that. Oh, that's making me spend. Look, she likes that. Oh, she. Nice. Yeah. See that? I'm eating it too. Oh yeah, that's good stuff right here. If you need energy, you get one of these guys. Protein and coffee. It wakes you up. It actually works for me. And this is Mom's Candies. The baby at home. And Rocky Road ice cream.
Baby.
Gotta have that. Oh, you got 3 of them? Oh my God, see? Look. More baby stuff here. Again, the baby. Mom. That's the baby's mom. This is the other baby, the Wata baby. Yeah.
Sarap.
Now we wait and we go. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Bye, Sawa.
Guys, kung meron tayong Del Monte spaghetti sauce, meron naman kami dito Prego Italian sauce. Ayan guys. Tapos ito white sauce. Si Mama tsaka ako mahilig kami sa white sauce. Tapos lalagyan ko lang yun ng ham or bacon. Meron din kami dito Minute Maid. Pero yung Minute Maid dito hindi matamis. Maasim siya. Guys, ito yung otap po. Otap dito. Ang sarap. Kaya ako tumataba. Palmiers. Pero otap to. Sarap.
So we are at 170. 71. 171. This is what's left. Almost there. Let's see if I'm right.
Yeah, we have Walmart pay.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
177.
Now, as far as tap goes, I don't know why they don't get tap, but probably, I mean, I suspect it's because, I mean, if they get tapped, they have to, all of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is true.
I don't have to.
They don't.
Yeah.
194 so far. 194, I was wrong, way off. Well, still got 2 items, but 1 item left. And the grand total 203.
Hi guys! Car wash tayo ngayon, pero try naman natin ang wow car wash. Hindi, wala tayo sa love.
Don't forget to put the pretty. I mean, they have them in all, but
Ayan, dito naman tayo sa wow car wash, guys. Ayan, pero hindi mag-a-assist sa atin. Actually, pareho lang sila talaga. It's just that I don't know kung ano mas maganda. That's why.
They give you gifts here.
Oh, hindi tulad sa ibaba.
Gifts?
Sa ibaba, hindi sila nagbibigay ng mga regalo. Kaya mamaya pakikita ko sa inyo.
My wipers. This is, I like this one better than the other one, I think. It does lead to a better job with the rims and the soap. At
This
least,
is better than Love?
It has more soap.
Oh,
More soap. Yeah, it does. I mean, right now it does. Typically, Love does have it, but
I thought before you like low.
somebody commented on your reel. I saw it pop up here. One of your reels. You got a comment.
Love, I thought you like Love than Wow.
I like Love when they have soap. I don't love when they give cheap soap. And the last time it was cheap soap.
Oh, but no, diba they have like 4.
They have a better system, but that time away, it was little soap.
Oh.
Over here, they have a lot of soap today.
Talaga?
Yeah, it all depends.
Oh, yan na po.
We're in the drying process. Should I open the window so you can feel the blower?
No!
Yay! Just open the window.
No! One time, alam niyo, binuksan ni Pedro yung bintana. He opened the window with the water splash on me. I'm so mad.
I know, it's a joke.
My goodness, this guy. This is a joker.
Yeah. And off we go. I'm gonna do vacuums or go home.
No.
No vacuums. It's too full of things later. Let's go home.
Let's go home, guys.
Let's go home. Because it rains a lot there, so your cars get dirty there too. Quick.
Guys, mas maraming binigay ang wow. Siguro nakikipag-competition siya. How much is love, my love?
$10.
Oh, love is $10. Wow is $9. But wow didn't give wow just no love just gave this pabango. This, remember guys?
That one.
This one.
And
But
no chamois. They give you a towel.
this is wow. Then wow gives
Towel.
love just gave this. But wow gave this and 2 dash wipes. 2 dash wipes and
Microfiber towel.
one microfiber towel. Oh, di ba?
Yeah, for less
Oh,
money, you
bahala
get
na
more.
kayo guys kung saan nyo gusto magpalinis. Siyempre, kung nasa Pilipinas kayo, wala kayong wow doon. Ewan ko kung may wow doon. Yeah, tapos meron silang calling card. Para sa ano?
QR code.
QR code for what?
I don't know. I guess to find out specials, offers, website.
Vote for
Everything.
wow, best car wash. Meron silang parang ano, competition or
Yeah, competing.
yeah, best car wash, best customer service, your vote counts. Vote today and every day. Oh, kaya pala sila maraming ano, ganito.
That's why they're giving that. Now we know why they're giving that out. Okay.
Yeah, so wow gave a lot of this for us to vote them as the best car
Yeah, 'cause
wash.
they never give them that much ever.
Yeah.
But
Just
because they want to vote now.
Yeah, they like us to vote them as the best
Vote
car
for them
wash.
in town. Yeah.
Yeah, best car wash, best customer service. Your vote counts, vote today and every day. Yan. May QR code pa sila binigay. Politics na sila.
Yeah, here we go. Politics.
Suhol ha.
That explains a lot.
Kaya pala.
Like, they never given that much stuff. Like, why are they giving so much?
Kaya pala sila ganun. Pero yeah, dito kasi sa ano, ewan ko sa ibang state kasi syempre dito lang naman ako tumira. Pero dito sa sa amin dito sa Nevada, talagang malaking bagay ang car wash business. Kasi nga, syempre wala na nagka-car wash sa labas dito. Wala ring manual. There is manual car washing here, right, love? But
Yeah.
not a lot.
No, they're very expensive though. Those are detailers.
Mas mabango.
Yeah, those are detailers. Yes.
Yeah, yung mga manual dito, mga detailing na lang. Detailers. Yan. Guys, binila namin si mama nito.
Animal
Gusto
cracker.
ni mama, animal cracker. Naalala ko nung bata pa ako, bumibili din kami nito, pero hindi ganito kalaki. Tikman ko nga. Tumataba na naman ako. I wanna
You're
taste
gonna
it.
eat that now?
Lasang Marie. Tastes like Marie lang.
Marie?
We call it Marie.
Oh, okay.
This is Staffers.
These crackers have been around for a long time.
Yeah, animal crackers.
Like, I was a kid and they were out.
So good. Mama really loves this. Oh, I remember, yeah. I played with this. Guys, nakaranas ba kayo mag-play ng ganito? Ito, kabayo, elephant, jig. Ito, elephant. Sarap. Sarap na ano. Now, this is so good with coffee. Black coffee.
Yeah. It is.
Oh my goodness.
We have the green crackers.
Kasi kami, alam niyo, magkasundo kami ni Pedro. But Pedro and I are snackers. We call ourselves snackers, right?
Yeah, we are.
Yung time to time kumakain.
We love snacking.
We really love snacking.
That's why we like this. Snack, snack. It's okay. We work out in the gym. Yeah, we work out at home.
But you know, the best snacks I think is yung popcorn. Saka yung seaweed ko.
It's the best one.
Seaweed nori. Yung nori. Yeah. Best ano snacks ko yun. Kasi
popcorn.
Yeah, hindi siya fattening.
What else? Cheese. That's a snack. Cheese. But that's part of keto. Egg.
Yeah.
Egg snacks.
Egg.
Boiled or fried.
That's a meal for me.
Oh, yeah. I mean, some people take it as a snack. Well, as a small meal. Right? Small meal. And can't think of nothing else right now, but I know some of your choices for snacking. It just our snacks have fat in it.
Yeah. Gusto ko talaga guys yung
not all of
mixes ng lasa. I like mix of taste, like sour, sweet, then salty. Ito. Ang lay's ko guys.
You open it too?
Sour cream and onion. Kumakain naman ako. Sour cream and onion. Favorite ko to guys.
She's snacking. No, thank you. No, don't want.
I don't know if I ate lunch. Not yet.
You haven't eaten. No, that's why you're hungry. Nah, that explains it.
So snack ko. Namaya na ulit.
I ate just not long ago. I mean, yeah, not long ago, but 2 hours?
I don't eat a lot, guys. I just ate little by little.
Yeah.
I just want the taste, the different taste in my mouth. Like, like this chocolate na. Pero
oh my God.
Dark chocolate naman to. This is dark chocolate, so it's okay.
It's trying everything.
Special dark.
Yeah.
Mild sweet chocolate. Mild sweet lang siya. With almonds. Ayun lang to guys. For $4 like almost $5 lang.
I just heard recently from somebody at church that it's really good for stem cell replacement. Dark chocolate. Stem cells.
Stem cells is what lang?
Some cells you have in your body that you're supposed to reproduce, and dark chocolate reproduces them twice as much. Some people get a treatment for it. There's somebody in our church doing it, and it helps you get strength, rejuvenate your skin, your hair. Stem cells, yeah.
So gaganda ko dito.
So dark
I will
chocolate.
be maganda lang.
Dark chocolate specifically releases them.
So I need to eat a lot of dark chocolate. So I will be maganda. Tawa siya eh. I'll bring this for our ref.
Oh yeah. That works.
Ano, ito na lang pala.
We have another.
I'll leave it here. Oh no, we need two. We need two
Just
here.
bring it. We have a bunch.
Yeah, outside in the garage.
Yeah.
We need two here. You know why? If you're wiping something and I need to wipe something too, like a mirror. What do you call again, love, the matamis in your what?
Empa.
Can you explain
something is overly sweet. Empalagoso, that's in Spanish. Something overly sweet that is too sweet. Just you could only have a little bit because it's too sweet.
We call it nakakatusing. So if you eat a lot of sweets, we call it nakakatusing. I don't know in other place in the Philippines, but we call in Tagalog we call it nakakatusing. Oh, nakakatusing naman to. I don't know. Maybe that's my own word only.
Yes. You.
But sometimes I have a lot of my own dictionaries. But I don't know.
I don't know. I don't speak Tagalog.
Yeah, but I don't know in English. What do you call that in English, Lam?
What?
Yeah, the empalagoso.
I don't know. To be honest, I have to look at Google Translate and find it.
Oh, okay. So, tingnan natin kung
Overly sweet.
kung anong yeah, lalagay ko dito, guys. Ito yung meaning, overly sweet.
Overly sweet?
Overly eating sweets.
Or like
For me, it's nakakatusing. For Pedro, is empalagoso. Empalagoso is like empanada. We have empanada.
Yeah, but you said nakatusing?
Nakakatusing.
It sounds like poop in Spanish. Nakakatusing. Nakaka.
Because kaka, guys, is
Kakas, I think it's in every language. Tae, kaka.
kaka, C-A-C-A. For them is kaka. For us is tae. In English is poop. Dito na kami, guys. Nakauwi na kami. So, kanina nga sabi ko sa inyo, ito guys, meron tayong Del Monte sa Pilipinas at saka UFC spaghetti, spaghetti sauce. Yung bang ready sauce na siya ng spaghetti. Meron naman kami ditong Prego. Actually, marami siyang flavor. Ito yung gusto namin, Italian sausage and garlic. Sarap siya. Tapos, eto, kumuha din ako ng pang white sauce. Dati kasi frozen, microwavable yung binibili namin kay mama. Pero ngayon, inisip ko sabi ko kay Pedro, lutuan ko si mama ng talagang lulutuan ko na talaga siya ng white sauce. Kasi marunong naman ako magluto. Dati naman kasi, nagtatrabaho ako. So, si mama naman si mama na ang trabaho ko. So, pagluluto ko siya ng totoong pagkain. Kasi, alam nyo guys, dito sa Amerika, ang reason din ng pagkakaroon ng dementia, diabetes, is dahil din dun sa mga microwavable na pagkain, processed foods, yan ang rason. Karamihan dito, ready-made na lahat. Microwavable na lang. Ma-microwave mo lang ng 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, ready na yung food mo. So, hindi maganda yun. So, yung ice cream namin na flavor is Rocky Road at saka coffee. Pero hindi naman kami lagi nag-ice cream, guys. Sa Pilipinas, guys, ang ano ko is Selecta. Si-Selecta ako. Selecta ba? Yeah, Selecta. Ito yung example na sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys. So, Lean Cuisine. Actually, kiniklaim nila na protein kick siya, protein excellent. So, pero still microwavable. So, 4 minutes lang, maluluto na to. Ready-made na pagkain na siyang ganyan. So, ganyan yan. Ito naman, ito ay chicken parmesan. Tandaan niyo yung chicken parmesan ni Pedro sa Olive Garden. Ito yon. Pero ito, microwavable. Ito naman, meatloaf with mashed potato. So, mga microwavable. Ito, pizza. Iwiano mo lang, yung oven mo lang to. Ito naman, microwavable. So, yun yung mga pagkain dito na nakakakos ng dementia, ng diabetes, kasi nga processed food siya, hindi maganda. Sa atin sa Pilipinas, talagang malaking bagay na hindi tayo kakain. Yung mga pagkain nga sa fast food, 'di ba? ano din natin, kino-question din natin yan. Pag masyado tayong kumakain sa fast food. Gawa natin si mama ng banana saba. I-air fry natin. Para hindi ako ayoko kasi magluto ng bananas ng saba sa prito. Bukod sa mantika, at the same time, syempre maabala pa rin yun. Siguro ang kagandahan dito sa Amerika, yung lahat, syempre sa Pilipinas meron din naman, pero syempre mayayaman na yun. Kami mga ordinaryong tao lang naman dito. Kagandahan dito, meron na sila mga automatic na washing machine. Syempre, yun sa atin ganun din naman, pero meron silang dryer, meron silang dishwasher, na hindi mo na kailangan maghugas ng pinggan, maglaba, magsampay. Then, tapos air fryer. Bumili din ako ng air fryer sa bahay. Sa Pilipinas. Bumili din ako ng pasubo ko pala muna sa kanila yung air fry na banana. Ayan guys. So, buksan lang natin. Air fry lang. Tingnan natin kung gusto nila yung 20 minutes. Parang ibabangi lang siya, pero air fry. Ito yung air fryer namin guys. So, usually yung air fryer, yung di ganyan, parang drawer. Yung binili namin para siyang microwave. Medyo mas malaki siya sa ordinaryong air fryer. Guys, di ko alam kung meron tayong Ajax na dishwasher sa Pilipinas. Pero dito, meron kaming Ajax. Di ba Ajax lumang brand na to? May Ajax kami ditong, ito yung binili ko. Kesa yung Dawn, kasi mahal yon. Ito mas mura, mas malaki pa. Kaya siguro nakakamura din si Pedro dito sa grocery. Kasi usually yung ganong kadami kanina, yung pinamili namin, usually 300 na yun eh. Pero binayaran niya 100 lang. Kailangan mo lang talagang mautak ba. Smart buying. So, tsaka nagustuhan ko lang dito ha. Ewan ko kasi jologs naman ako sa Pilipinas eh. Hindi naman ako ganun hindi naman social sa Pilipinas. So, normal life lang ako sa Pilipinas. Like, average na Pilipino lang naman ako. So, halos lahat may ganito. Naka-sealed sila ng maayos. Kasi sa Pilipinas, hindi masyadong sealed yung mga product doon. Yun lang din, gusto ko dito, talagang sealed yung mga product doon. Dito, product dito. Sobrang sealed. Then, ito, favorito ni Pedro. Ito, favorito ni Pedro na cheese. Ito, stick siya. Kasi, ewan ko, sanay lang ako sa Pilipinas, ang cheese lang naman natin dun, Kraft. Meron mga iba, yung Magnolia, yan, ganyan. Pero hindi naman dito talaga, meron ditong, kung saan puro cheese lang siya, iba't ibang cheese. Ito yung favorite ni Pedro. Cheese stick siya. $10 ng isang box for 1 week. So, Colby and Monterey Jack siya. Yan yung niya. Kasi meron siyang mild, meron siyang sharp, meron siyang cheddar. Yung sa atin is usually cheddar, right? Dito, marami. So, Colby Monterey Jack cheese yung kay Pedro. Gusto ko rin to. Gusto rin ito ni Mama. So, parang binaka-snack. Tsaka protein din to. Kaya maganda din to. Tapos ito, alam ko, ito, healthy rin to. Yung olives. Ito, sinasama ko to sa lahat ng pagkain ni Pedro. Hanggat maaari. Kasi ito, healthy rin to. Then, so, ito, yung parang pinakasalsa sa tortillas. Tortillas? You call it tortillas daw? Tortillas. Ito yung gamit namin. $2 na to. Masarap siya. Corn chips siya. Tapos ito, dinidip lang ni Pedro dito. Chunky salsa medium yung kanya. Sarap siya. Nung una, ayoko. Pero masarap siya. Hindi ako fan of yung mga tomato kasi sumasakit yung tiyan ko. Pero ito, Nung natikman ko, masarap siya. Chunky salsa. Tapos, inahaluan ko to ng cheese para mas masarap. Para sa mga hindi alam guys, pag may ganito kayo, mahirap itong buksan. So, dahil pag mahirap siya kasi vacuum sealed nga. Hanapin nyo lang po ito. Diba? Ikot nyo lang yung takip. May makikita kayo dyan na ganito. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, dyan kayo, parang magbubukas kayo ng hangin dyan. Yan o. Ganyan lang. Parang bubuksan nyo lang yung hangin. Kasi vacuum sealed lang siya. Medyo mahirap siya. Hindi matigas yung ano ko, gamit ko. Pero usually, ipapop mo lang yan. Lahat ng ganyan. Teka lang guys. Kumuha ka na mas matigas. Yun. Nung inangat kong ganyan, yung hangin lumabas na. Madali na siya. Diba? O. So, may natutunan pa kayo sa akin. Eto na nga guys. So, pagkatapos naming mamili, mag-grocery. So, dumiretso kami ni Pedro sa workout namin. I told you guys that our workout will be Tuesday to Friday. But, because Monday is a Bible study for us. So, Tuesday to Friday will be our workout schedule. So, yan. Nag-workout lang kami ng mabilis. Like, parang 1 hour lang talaga. In and out lang. Kasi after ng workout namin, meron pa rin siyang OT. 2 hours. Ako naman, meron pa rin akong mga ini-edit-edit. Or, meron akong part-time job. And also, si Mama. Kailangan pa rin naming asikasuin si Mama. So, I have here about life. I just got here this from ChatGPT. I just wanna read this to you guys. So, life is never meant to be easy. It's a journey filled with struggles, challenges, victories, and lessons. Every single one of us goes through seasons of pain, disappointment, and setbacks. But these are not signs of failure. They are opportunities for growth. Sometimes we wonder why life feels so heavy, why doors close, or why things don't happen the way we hope. But in reality, those moments are shaping us. Every hardship is building strength with us. Every unanswered prayer is redirecting us to something better. And every tear we cry is watering the seeds of wisdom in our hearts. The truth is, you won't always feel motivated. You won't always have the energy or the answers. But what matters is that you keep moving forward. Even the smallest step counts. So, for me, prayer is really a must. Our faith is a must. So, we should have a big faith with God. So, God knows everything about us. He has plans. And He knows what goods for us. But what matters is that you keep moving forward. Even the smallest step counts. Progress is progress, no matter how slow. Don't compare your journey with others because everyone is running a different race. Iba naman talaga tayo ng sitwasyon. Sa bawat buhay natin, may iba't ibang plano ang Panginoon sa atin. But we need to trust God, whatever it is. What's important is that you never stop running. Life will test you. It will push you to the edge and make you feel like giving up. Maraming problema, pero we shouldn't give up. But remember this, diamonds are formed under pressure, and strong people are shaped by trials. Your pain today is preparing you for tomorrow's blessings. Your struggles are writing a story that will one day inspire someone else not to give up. So when life gets hard, hold on to faith. Trust that every closed door is redirection, not a rejection. Believe the timing of your life is perfect, even if you don't understand it now. And most of all, remember that you are stronger than you think. You've already survived so much, and you will continue to rise. Keep fighting, keep believing, keep moving, because one day you look back and realize that every challenge you faced, every storm you went, and every mountain you climbed only brought you closer to the person you were meant to be.
Nag-work si Pedro ng 8 hours. Then after 3, nag-workout kami for 1.5 hour lang. Yeah. And then after nun, babalik na naman siya sa OT niyan 2 hours. Ako naman, babalik kay mama.
Mama's tranquila, mama. Hey, mama's okay.
Kakapagod guys. Pero that is really powerful workout. Napagod ako, sumakit ang ulo ko. At inaantok ako. Grabe! Kapagod guys. Today is Thursday.
Tomorrow we come again.
Tomorrow is the last day for us.
Saturday.
Yeah.
We don't do work.
Then Tuesday again.
Live worship.
I do that every day. Huh?
Just a macho.
Macho!
Oh.
Macho! You like your workout today,
Yeah.
love?
Yeah, I'm tired.
Oh my goodness.
Good workout.
Good workout.
Work out the
And
muscle.
later, that will be,
The leg workout.
yeah, the tummy workout again. Today is really nice weather. Look at that. Cloudy. Tsaka paggabi na po. What is the time now? 4:38. So, 4:38 ngayon. Kaya medyo madilim na. Malapit na kasi kami din sa ano. Malapit na rin kasi kami guys sa winter. Patapos na yung summer. Am I correct, love?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kaya